Hey guys, Thunder here. Oh, hey guys, Thunder here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are playing. Why am I so loud? Paladins, cause I can't rap. So why am I even trying? Anyway, I should probably put the volume up. It's so hot in my room. But we have to wait to do that. Battle Pass Team Booster. I still have nothing. Anyway, 5, 4, 3, 2. I never used this character before. I'm level 6. I don't have a lot of the characters unlocked. My favorite character, though. I forgot her name. Alright. Today we're using Koga because I never used them. But I think today's game is gonna be fun. If I'm being too loud, I'm using a different headset. So yeah. I need a new screen recorder. This one is way too laggy. Adrenaline junkie, whatever. Quit. Alright. So, what do you guys think of the graphics? Do you guys like it? That's what I thought. The graphics are horrible. I put them all the way down because computer graphics, garbage. And anytime I record, I start lagging. So, sorry I haven't been recording in a while. It's some family business or whatever. Hurry up and let me out. The way this man's just standing. Oh shit. Oh wait. Is this? Oh, okay. I thought this wasn't. I forgot to. That's awesome. I died already. This game is so fun. Options. Audio. Alright. Now let's go. Get destroyed. Oh, hopefully I'm not as loud. What up now? Yeah. Yeah, what up now? That's what's up. Alright. Flank him. I'm gonna. No, bye bye. I'm out. I ain't signed up for this. I ain't signed up for this bullshit. I am out, my G. I am out. Oh, shh. Die. Shoot. Alright, alright, alright. Flank him. Yo, chill. What? I love this game so much. How I die by this? Motherfucker. Family friendly content. No. I'm out. Of course I die. Cause I suck. I legit suck. I love this game so much that I suck. I need to start paying attention to my health. How? Where? When? What? This game is awesome. We already lost. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You must be joking right now. Die. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, 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 alright. This team sucks. I'm just kidding. I want to see if I can get on the roof and then jump. I want to see if it's possible. If it's not possible, then why? Why is it not possible? I need to shut up. Ooh. 5, 4, 3. Nope, not possible. That's why I kept jumping. I'm flanking. I think he's a flank. Maybe not. Anyway, I'm not ranged, so why am I all the way out there? We eat those. Oh, no. No, the fuck we do not. Oh. My cash lock was... I love this game! Die, you fucks. I'm out. I'm out. Yo, chip. Really? Really? You gonna do that to me? You gonna do it? So now I know how to do that. It's right click. Well, bitch. I mean, lich. I said lich. A female dog. I said female dog. I ain't say the B word. Family friendly content. I swear if I lose this game, I swear. How? Aimbot is on. I'm just kidding. Die, die, die. Hello? I'm gonna get double teamed. Time to leave. Time to go. We lost. We lost. We have lost. Nah, she. How? What? Alright. Alright. This game is awesome. Shit. You can do. I know I should have hopped into practice. What was wrong with me? I don't even know how to use this character. My cousin. I'm never using him again. Let me just hop into some training real quick, cause jeez. Siege. I can't play for shit. I mean, I can't play for poop. I'm never using you again. You disgusting character. You disgusting character. But there's nobody else to use. Ooh, honestly, I never used her. Lock in. I don't want to use her now. Okay. I don't want to use her. How much is this worth? I'll never find out. Bro, Coke is... why am I even talking this? Shut up. Cherish. But, alright. I'm gonna put up these graphics, cause... Game. Yeah. Medium, 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 medium. Alright. Yes. So if I start lagging now. Oh my god, I'm gonna start lagging. I will start lagging. Yes, alright, the lag. I love lag. Options. Low, 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 low. Apply. So, I forgot what this character did. Nothing good. Nothing good, apparently. Uh. How much health does she do? How much health? How much health does she even do? Why was I still on the horse? Why am I still on this horse? Oh, I love them. I'm starting to love this character even more than I usually do. And I'm not even joking right now. This character's garbage. So garbage. Ooh. I changed my mind. This character's good. I'm a bandwagon. We gonna get pushed back. Yo, move. I'm on fire. Yeah, okay. Wipe yourself off, fool. You dead. Okay, let me kill him. Let me kill this man's. Whose man's is this? Yo! Somebody come get their man! Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.